Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, welcome. Today I'm going to be using a diffuser on my hairdryer for the very first time. So I'm Jess, I love all things fitness, healthy lifestyle, and activewear. If you like those things too, definitely subscribe, hit the notification bell so you don't miss any future videos. So I have wavy hair, as you can see, and I have never dried it with a diffuser before, but I've seen a lot of people online on YouTube videos bringing out their waves. So I had a really sweaty workout this morning. I absolutely had to wash my hair, but I want to do some filming. So I figured I would give this a try. So here we go. All right, so here we are in my bathroom. I'm going to use this diffuser on my hair for the first time. I've never dried my hair with a diffuser, but I had a really sweaty workout and I want to film some videos and my hair is soaking wet. It takes forever to dry. And so I'm gonna attempt to dry it. And I want it to be like wavy. I don't want to blow dry it and like make it straight because that causes damage. So I'm gonna start with my leave-in conditioner. I always do that first to kind of like protect it. I do that even if I'm not drying it. Okay. Then I'm using a Veda Be Curly to bring out the waves. So I usually go like really scrunch it in the back. Then I do Moroccan oil. Through the bottom part, the ends and stuff. If you can't tell, I'm filming my Gymshark video. Okay, and last, I have this wave spray. I love this. I feel like that's the step that like really makes the waves come out. Some people do like a gel, but I don't like the crunch. Maybe it would hold better, but it's not for me. Okay, now, all right, then I'm gonna part it where I want it parted, just because once it dries, it's gonna be kind of like hard to move around. Okay, so side part. Okay, so normally I would probably just like let it air dry like this, but we're using this. I will link this down below. I got it on Amazon, but it's supposed to be universal, so you can like open it and close it to fit any dryer. This is a Numi hair dryer I've had for a really long time. Numi used to be all the rage, like their straighteners, dryers, curlers. So look, that's really nice. It fits really well. I don't know, so I'm not a pro. This is my first time doing this. I'm going to put it on number 2, so not the hottest, not the coolest, and just go for it, I guess. Okay, so that was 10 minutes of drying time. Definitely an arm workout, so don't do that after arm day, but I think it came out pretty good. I did notice it was getting kind of fluffy as we were going, so I think I need to refine my technique a little bit. I started kind of like twisting the sections a little bit, and I actually feel like that helped, but I didn't start that way. It's still pretty damp at the roots, so I don't know how long it would take to get fully dry, but like my hair takes forever to dry naturally, so I think that was like a really awesome time saver. I do use a microfiber towel by Aquas. I get mine at Sephora. I'll see if I can link it down below. So that helps, but I do find if I leave it on too long, it actually dries my hair too much. So if I want to bring out the curl, I need to be mindful to take my hair out of that because it actually absorbs so much water. But I just threw a tiny bit of hairspray in. I mean, I think it's pretty good. It's definitely a little fluffy, but that is so much better than like having soaking wet hair. So I really hope you enjoyed this video. Definitely, if you have wavy or curly hair and you have tips for me, please leave them down below because I am a total newbie. I've never used a diffuser before till today. So let me know your tips and tricks. And if you enjoyed, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video soon. Have a great day, stay positive, bye! If you like those things too, definitely subscribe. Hit the notification bell so you don't miss any future videos. I'm gonna redo that.